What's up, Forever Gang? It's your girl Forever Yenti, and I'm back with another video. What's up, Forever Gang? It's your girl Forever Yenti, and I'm back with another video. So I got a mukbang for y'all, and actually it's a Popeyes mukbang. So what I ordered was a 3-piece combo with red beans and rice. Well, now it's a 2-piece because I couldn't wait, y'all. I had to have me a piece. I was hungry. So what I have is, like I said, I have let me take these two things out. Got me some honey and hot sauce. I'm gonna need some more, but what I have is, can y'all see that? Y'all can't see that. Some chicken, biscuit, and some red beans and rice. Like I said, I'm trying to show y'all without, excuse that finger. So yeah, so let me, actually, I want to, can y'all see my food? Y'all can't see it. Y'all can't see the food. Y'all need to see this food, baby. Y'all need to see the food. More than me, y'all need to see the food. Hold on. Let me get this camera together. So let's push back. Okay. Get this red beans and rice right here. Trying to get it to the point where y'all can see. So okay, we gonna move some stuff around a little bit, just a tiny bit, not a lot. Okay, what we gonna do is this. I'm gonna move this box open so y'all can see everything. Can y'all see? Still can't see. Okay. Well, you know what? Let me break the box open. Turn it into a... Y'all can see now. There we go. We got everything now. So listen. Let's see. Okay, so we got the chicken right here, the biscuit. Y'all see everything. Trying to get this paper out of here, y'all. Okay. So can I get this camera right to save my life? So we're gonna get this up out of here. Okay. So can y'all see me now? Y'all probably can't. Okay. I'm trying to get it in the camera where y'all can see the food and y'all can see me. Well, you know what? There we go. We here now. Okay. Little technical difficulties. Cut the light up. There we go. Okay, we here now. food. Still. Listen, y'all can't see everything, but y'all can see the main pieces. The biscuit over here, y'all. So y'all got the chicken, the red beans, and rice, and the biscuit is actually behind here. So yeah. Okay, so what I wanted to do for y'all is let y'all know more a little bit about me as I'm eating and talking to y'all. Oh, and I have a Pepsi to drink and some water over here. So let's get into this mukbang. So what I wanted to talk to you guys about is, well, to let y'all know more about me than what I've shared with y'all. My head cut off, but oh well. What y'all don't know is that your girl was born with Spina Bifida and is in a wheelchair for the rest of her life from birth. So I want to let y'all know of how I live with Spina Bifida, because it's an up and down road. So it's like you have your good days and you have your bad days. Some days are better than others, but I'm doing pretty good with what I have. So I was born with something called, I don't know the way to pronounce it, but it's basically it's called the it's basically the severe part of spina bifida. There's like a beginning, middle, and of course end to everything, but so there is a mild spina bifida where it can be fixed, or do you have the most severe that leads into other things that messes with your system, and that's where I was born with. So dealing with it was hard for a while growing up. You know, dealing with the kids, and they may tease you because you're in a wheelchair and all of that stuff, and it was hard because I couldn't do everything that I wanted to do as a child. Well, I did most of what I wanted to do, but it was hard because kids, I used to get bullied every once in a while. Not too much, but I used to get bullied. It was stuff that I couldn't control. Like, kids are cruel, and kids will say mean stuff like, that's why you can't walk, and all that little mean things that, you know, kids say. So it was hard in a way. But with dealing with it throughout my life, it's basically nothing that can stop me now. Like, I'm truly a miracle child. Like, I wasn't supposed to make it past birth. And if I did make it, I wasn't supposed to be here right now talking to you guys. I was not supposed to make it to 22, 23. So I'm a miracle baby. And my mom knew that about. I don't feel so out of place talking to you guys like this. Okay, y'all can see me a little bit. So, like I said, it wasn't truly easy. But of course, I got through it. Because I fought. Literally fought all my life to be where I am today. Yes, I went through depression. I definitely went through depression, especially when I hit 9. Because not only did I have to deal with the disability that I already had to deal with my mom passing from me. So, I dealt with depression growing up, which it has gotten better as time goes. In my life now, I'm fine. Like, I do so much that people never thought that I could do. To the point it's literally insane. Like, I was told I would never be able to talk. My mother was told I would never be able to talk. She was told I would never be able to function correctly. She was told I probably just wouldn't live and just would be all types of messed up. And that is nothing. And that proves to you guys that I don't want to tell y'all, because some people are religious, some people are not. But to me, that shows y'all that God is real. Because I wasn't supposed to be here. I'm not supposed to be right in front of you guys, speaking to you guys as of today. Miracles do happen. And I believe in that. And for the people that always are complaining how they can't get further in their lives, and that they have no way to be able to work or do this, do that, and you have all your ligaments and your mindset and everything, you can't tell me that you just can't do it. It's that you don't want to. Because here I am. I'm 23, 22, 23, going on 23. I have Spina Bifida and other multiple things, wheelchair bound, and I work I'm on my own. I'm living the best life that I can live. And I wouldn't have it any other way. So nothing is impossible. I just have a pet peeve when people say, "Oh, I can never get a job. I can never do this. I can never do that. I can't." You instill that "I can't" mentality into your body. That's why you can't. If you don't instill that into your body, then you can do whatever you put your mind to, and it's not just words. If you instill positivity in your life, then you can do what you are set out to do. But back to dealing with spina bifida, like I said, it's a up and down situation. There are good days, there are bad days. Some days I'm super sore because of my back, and I gotta position my body a certain way to be comfortable. I can't just be free. My life is just so different from the average person, and people don't know how blessed they are in the world. That y'all sit up here and complain when somebody else's life is way worse than yours. Like, I have those moments with myself, and I will complain. But then I'll see a homeless man, or I'll see somebody that's hungry, or I'll see people with no jobs, trying to make a way for their family. And I'm grateful because I don't have to go through none of that. I have a shelter. I have a job. I put food at the table. I am able to eat every single day. So I'm grateful for everything that comes my way. And we just gotta instill positivity into ourselves. And I know I keep going off a subject a little bit, trying to be empowering and all that. But it's a true statement. I was truly not supposed to be here. And I'm truly a living miracle. And that made it when they told me no. So they tell me no all the time. And I don't take that no. Because I know that there is a yes. Because I am a yes. I was a yes. And I'm grateful every day because some people's spina bifida is way worse than mine. Even though I have the severe one, it's people's that are even worse than how I am. I feel like my head cut off. Probably is. There we go. Let me leave that alone. Let me get into this red beans and rice. Same way I am always told, because of my spina bifida, I will never be able to walk. But I'm not claiming that. One day I will walk. And all the people that told me no are going to see it. Because they're the same people who died in my life. When I was an itty bitty infant, they doubted my life. So, I'm to prove them wrong. Again. Y'all just don't know. I'm told I can never do anything. If I listen to a doctor, people listen to doctors a lot. And I'm not saying never listen to your doctor. But I am the type of person that my doctors have steered me wrong so many times in my short life that I barely listen. Because whatever they said I couldn't do, I did. I ain't gonna lie. This red beans and rice is good. It's so good. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. I don't know how long this video is gonna be, you guys. But I can already tell now that I am going to have a lot of editing to do to be able to get this out to y'all. Yeah. I love me some red beans and rice. I might be able to finish all my food for y'all. I don't know. Let me not speak too fast. But I got this chicken right here. This biscuit. Chicken in this biscuit right here. Just good old red beans and rice. I know, y'all. I know it's not good to use my teeth, but my hands were sticky. Had to get it open some way. I promise to get better with my content and my lighting and everything as I go along on this journey of YouTube. Just bear with me, y'all. I'm starting. I'm new. Everything's new to me. A burp. So I'm gonna let y'all know now, if I burp, excuse me in advance, because if it come out, it come out, and I'm gonna let it come out. So I'm just telling y'all now, if it comes out and I happen to burp, just know I warned y'all. You know, I am so exhausted. I'm tired. I went to work today. Did a little shopping. You know, retail therapy for the day that I had, which was, girl, let's not talk about it. But it's okay, because tomorrow's going to be a better day than the day was. Plus, I got me some cute stuff, so I cannot wait to show you guys in the next video. After this one, of course. After this one, then I'll give y'all another haul of what I got today. You know, retail therapy, little birthday therapy for myself, for my special day coming up. You know, so. Why is my nose so oily? It's so shiny. It's only my nose. It's still daggone shiny. Look at me. I don't think I'm going to be able to finish all this food, y'all. I'm going to tell y'all now. I don't think so. Because unless I burp. There you go. Excuse me. I know that wasn't lady like, excuse me, y'all. But it came out. It had to come out. Y'all just don't know. I love me some red beans and rice. I should have got a large. Excuse me. Excuse me. I warned y'all. See? Empty. All gone. I may not eat the biscuit. Because you know Popeyes got choked biscuits. Y'all know who really got good biscuits? KFC. Now they butter their biscuits and it's so soft. Girl, they got the best biscuits now. I love their biscuits. Popeyes got the best chicken to me. And KFC got the best biscuits. I swear, you put them two together. Best thing you'll ever have. I know y'all probably gonna get me eventually when I'm finishing this food, but I got a little tummy. And when she wanna eat a lot, she will. My tummy decided she ain't trying to eat a lot today. So I'm not gonna be able to finish this piece of chicken, and I don't want to eat that biscuit. I don't know. I might take a bite up. That's alright. Almost made me want to put it down. I ain't gonna eat the biscuits. Sorry, y'all. I can't do it. I'll eat the rest of this little piece of crust right here. Don't take any more hot sauce in here. So this tray is going to go in the trash. I'm going to wrap my chicken up and probably eat it tomorrow. Because no food in this house goes to waste. I eat up everything. I literally do. I eat up everything. So do not think this piece of chicken I will throw away. One little piece of chicken is not going in the trash. And I'll probably pick up another meal. And if y'all want me to continue to do mukbangs, I think they're called, then y'all let me know in the comments below and let me know what y'all want to see. Just let me know, because I don't know what you guys really want to see. So I try to give y'all hauls. I'm trying to give y'all something different. And not the same repetitive stuff. Like, I have another haul coming for you guys with the items that I bought today. But let me know what you guys want to see in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And share. Share this with any and everybody. all your family members and your friends and bring them on over to my channel so I can show them what my channel is about. I give off different varieties of things. You guys let me know what y'all want to see. And I will see y'all in the next video. Wait forevermore.